What is going on, people? Hope you're having a great day, or whatever time it is. I hope it is great for you. So I've been playing around with this little set right here, the DJI Mic 2, and one of the things, and I said this in the initial impressions and stuff video that I did, one of the things that really excited me about this mic setup is the fact that you can connect the transmitters now via Bluetooth directly to a mobile device, or so it would seem. So I say so it would seem because it's actually not as simple as you would think it might be or should be. And I actually kind of discovered this morning, or really like a few minutes ago. So let me share with you my findings. So initially when I tried, no, I don't want to subscribe. When I tried the Bluetooth audio in that video I put out pretty much the day before this one, the Bluetooth audio really did not impress me. It sounded as if I was underwater, or it sounded rather if I was like playing with mud or playing in mud or something like that. It sounded moneyed, I guess that's what I'm trying to say. Initially, I tried that with my tablet, and what happened is I got to thinking maybe DJI has a firmware upgrade out for the DJI Mic 2 set here that sort of rectifies that. Maybe there's something that they've done to kind of, you know, rectify that Bluetooth quality, because let's face it, all of us want to use that, right? Or most of us, or a lot of us do, I'm pretty sure. So what happened is when I went to the website, I was here looking for firmware to download and everything, and it turns out there was no firmware whatsoever, right? You can see here there's a bunch of manuals. You can see here that there's disclaimers, safety guidelines, user manual, user manuals in different languages and things of that sort. But if you scroll down a little bit more, like right here, you'll notice that it says DJI Mic 2 mobile phone compatibility list. So let's go ahead and download that, right? So ended up finding this, and this is not hard to find. It's just that, like, you know, every other human being out there who reads manuals nowadays, I mean, there are people, and those people are probably in a way better position than most of us that don't. But anyway, you can see here, there is a list of compatible mobile phones, and I kind of thought this was bogus, you know. I was like, it's Bluetooth. How could it not be compatible with any device? However, I'll show you something in a minute. Now, if you notice on this list, there are a few different models, and I say a few literally because there's only a few phones on here. There's Apple, Vivo, Oppo, Huawei, Google, all that stuff. In my case, I am a Samsung user through and through. Will probably always be, unless they piss me off really badly. So in terms of the devices I could actually use for Samsung right here, you'll notice that you have the Galaxy Z Flip 4, the S23 Ultra, 23 Plus, 22 Ultra, you know, not even the base Galaxy S23, which is interesting to me. However, the point is that there's only a few Samsung phones here, right? The only one I have out of this list is this right here, the Galaxy Z Flip 4. So I got to go ahead and test this, and I wanted to show you all this to see, or sort of to clarify what I'm getting at here. In that case, I arrogantly thought to myself, and ignorantly thought to myself, you know, I can admit when I'm wrong. I wish most adults in the world would do that. It would be a better place, but I guess we can't do that. Anyway, essentially what I'm getting at here is you can see that the Flip 4 can indeed see the mic in pairing mode. The Z Flip 5 cannot. So that leads me to believe that DJI is using a specific Bluetooth version here, and this is not in pairing mode anymore. Hold on, let me put it back in. And there's another part to this, so I'm going to pair that, right? Because I can't do it here. Let's go ahead and do a recording with this one, and then I'm going to do it with my tablet, and you will see the exact difference. This is a test of the DJI Mic 2 paired with the Galaxy Z Flip 4 via Bluetooth. Hopefully this does not sound like it sounds on my Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra when that is paired to this microphone with Bluetooth. All right, and let's stop that. Let's give it a simple name and let's play it back and you'll see how clear it sounds. This is a test of the DJI Mic 2 paired with the Galaxy Z Flip 4 via Bluetooth. Hopefully this does not sound like it sounds on my Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra when that is paired to this microphone with Bluetooth. Okay. Right, and let's... Okay, so you heard that there, right? That sounds relatively clear out of these speakers. Now let me switch over to my tablet. All right, so here we are on my tablet, and I still do have this connected to my Flip 4, so let me go ahead and turn Bluetooth off on there. You can see that. And surprisingly enough, this tablet actually did fit on the entire screen, probably because I'm using a 20mm lens on my camera. So you can see here, we're not in pairing mode, but we are in Bluetooth mode, right? Press and hold that link button once again. That blinks faster. Go to scan. Now you can see here that it actually does see the microphone, right? Remember, my Z Fold 5 did not see the microphone. So if we pair that, now paired, right? This device is not on the compatibility list, obviously. The voice recorder here, and let's do a quick recording and you will see the audio differences between pairing it to a compatible device versus a non-compatible device. This is a test of the DJI Mic 2 paired with the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, which is not a device on the compatibility list. I already know this audio is not going to sound great, but I wanted to show everybody. So save that, right? And let's do this. DJI Mic 2 paired with the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, which is not a device on the compatibility list. I already know this audio is not going to sound great, but I wanted to show everybody. Okay, and I apologize. I should have said to adjust your volume, so if that came off really loud, my apologies. But you can see here that it basically sounds like I'm under the sea. You know, it sounds very, very muddied. It doesn't sound like quality. Let me go ahead and play back the one on the Z Flip 4 so you can hear that difference. This is a test of the DJI Mic 2 paired with the Galaxy Z Flip 4 via Bluetooth. Hopefully this does not sound like it sounds on my Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra when that is paired to this microphone with Bluetooth. All right, and let's... So that's a big difference. Let me even prove it to you a little bit more, and I apologize. I'm not trying to take up anybody's time, but I'm really trying to be as thorough as possible. Let's transfer that over to my Tab S8 Ultra, right? Because we can do that real quick. And what time is it? 10:53, 10:53. So that has to be this one, right? I think this should be the one. Nope, that's not the one. Sorry. This is a test of the DJI Mic 2 paired with the Galaxy Z Flip 4 via Bluetooth. Hopefully this does not sound like it sounds on my Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra when that is paired to this microphone with Bluetooth. All right, and let's... Okay, one more time. This is the one on the tablet. DJI Mic 2 paired with the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, which is not a device on the compatibility list. I already know this audio is not going to sound great, but I wanted to show everybody. Okay, so there you pretty much have it. This is probably a really long way to explain this, but I like to be as thorough as possible, like I said. And really what I'm getting at here is just the fact of the matter is that, you know, this is pretty much the first device I've come across that actually has a compatibility list with Bluetooth, but it does not mean that your Bluetooth is broken. It doesn't mean that the Bluetooth connection between the mic and the device you're connecting it to sucks if you can connect it. It just means that DJI has not added it to the compatibility list yet. And this is not unheard of, you know. I'll give them some leeway because I don't know what goes into the development of making these products and everything, but some of their drones, you know, have released without features that they do upgrade or do update rather in the future. So I'm pretty sure this issue is going to be rectified, if anything. You know, I'll give them a little leeway, like I said, because I don't know what their development schedule is like. I am not a software developer. I'm in IT, so I understand a little bit of it. But I just wanted to make this video to show you, if you are having Bluetooth issues, this could potentially be why. Now, hopefully they do come out with a fix very, very soon. That would be really, really nice. However, I would rather them get it right than rush it out. Anyway, didn't want to make this video too long, so hopefully some of the information, or if all of the information in this video was helpful. I'll be doing some more tests and eventually reviewing this whole system here, so please do look out for that. I appreciate the support, or any support that, you know, someone wants to give. I am not a big channel like most of the other channels. Hopefully I offer something a little bit different, or at least something pretty useful. Anyway, wherever you are in the world, have a great day, have a great afternoon, a great evening, or a great night, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and as always, I appreciate the support.